Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can get the one-handed keyboard on your iPhone. So let's just check what keyboard that I have on my phone right now. Open your Evernote, create a new documents, and then it could be popping up the option or the display of the keyboard. You'll see that the keyboard here is fully added into full size of my screen. So if you want to make it easier, since you probably have some other activity that provide you to only have one hand to access your phone, that could be helping you to have one-handed keyboard. So the thing that you have to do is just go back into your home screen, and right away you just need to open the settings. Now you just need to scroll all the way down until you got this general, and then just tap it, and then just go scroll all the way down again until you got the keyboard. Right after that, just go tap it to access everything. And there could be a second box here that consists of this text replacement and one-handed keyboard. So make sure that this one-handed keyboard here is in on condition. So you just need to tap it, and then you just need to pick where do you want to display the keyboard. It could be left or right. So if you're available for the right side, just go tap into the right, and then let's just check what will be happen. So you just need to open back the Apple Notes, and you'll see that the display of the keyboard could be like more smaller, and you can access it only with your one hand. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.